Hello students, welcome back to Be Here Learning Academy. Today we are going to discuss the answer key of state level SSLC preparatory examination mathematics 2024. Let us begin. First question, the maximum number of zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Since it is a quadratic polynomial, answer is C, 2. The volume of a sphere of radius r units is, the volume of the sphere formula is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Option B. If the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is real and distinct, then b square minus 4ac will be greater than 0. The discriminant will be greater than 0. So the right option is option D, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If sec A is equal to 2 by root 3, then value of cos A is, so just the reverse of this, option is root 3 by 2, option C, root 3 by 2. In the arithmetic progression x, 21, 18, so on, the value of x is, x becomes the first term. See the difference from this to this number and compare it. So we will get answer is A, it is 24. Sixth one, x plus 2y is equal to c1 and 2x plus 4y is equal to c2 and the pair of linear equations. If 2c1 is not equal to c2, then the equations will have no solution. Option D, no solution. The prime factors of 91 are, the prime factors of 91 are, it is divisible by 7, 7 13s are, 13 1s are, so 7 and 13, option B. Eighth question, in the given figure, OP is perpendicular to AB, so length of AB is, so we know that AP is equal to PB. So if PB is 4 cm, even this is 4 cm. 4 plus 4 is 8 cm. Answer is A, 8 cm. LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. Then find their HCF. We know that the product of first and second number is equal to product of LCM and HCF. So first and second number divided by LCM will be HCF. First and second number they have given already, 24 and 36 divided by 72 it is. So answer is 12. So the next question, find the roots of the equation. I will write it first. X minus 1, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Multiply it. X into x is x square plus 3x minus 6 minus 3 is equal to 0. X square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Let us find the roots. So roots will be x square plus 3x minus 6 minus 3 is equal to 0. Do the grouping here. This is standard form. So x into x plus 3 minus 1 take it out. X plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 and x minus 1. Let us write it separately. X plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. X minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. Write the formula to find the volume of the frustum of a cone having its circular base R1 and R2 and height h. So find the sum of zeros of the quadratic polynomial. First you write what is A, B and C. A is 1, B is 7, C is 10. Sum of the zeros is given by alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus B by A, minus of 7 by 1, that is equal to minus 7. In the figure, PQR is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Find the value of sin R by cos R. First find out sin R. Sin R is 12 by 13. Cos R is equal to 5 by 13. Now let us find the ratio. It is sin R by cos R. Sin R is 12 by 13. This is 5 by 13. That will be equal to 12 by 13 into 5. Here it is 13. 13 and 13 gets cancelled. The answer is 12 by 5. A square-based prism die whose each rectangular faces are numbered 1, 3, 4 and 6 is rolled once. Find the probability of getting the number 2 on its top. But if you see the total outcomes here, it is 1, 3, 4 and 6. There is no 2 here. Given the information, it's important to note that there is no 2 among the given numbers. So therefore, it is impossible to roll 2 on the top face. We know that probability, we write it as favorable outcomes by total outcome. Favorable outcome, we need 2. Here 2 is not there, so it is 0. Divided by total outcomes is 4. 0 by 4. 0 by something is always 0. So the probability of getting 2 on the top face is 0, as there is no favorable outcome based on the provided numbers. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR if the area of ABC is 49 cm square, AB is 7 cm and PQ is 9 cm, then find the area of triangle PQR. So I've drawn triangle ABC, area is 49, here PQR, the side AB and PQ are given. Let us substitute here. Area of triangle ABC is 49 divided by area of triangle PQR, which we have to find out. So keep it as it is. AB square, 7 square divided by 9 square, that is 49 divided by area of triangle PQR, that is equal to 49 by 81. So here 49 and 49 gets cancelled. What will remain is area of PQR will be equal to 81 centimeter square. If sine 90 minus A is equal to cos 60, where A is an acute angle, find value of A. So they have mentioned A is an acute angle. Sine 90 minus A is equal to cos 60. Sine 90 minus A or sine 90 minus theta, identity will be cos theta or cos A, that is equal to cos 60. So A is equal to 60. A is equal to 60 degree. Next question is, prove that 7 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So first we need to assume that 7 plus root 5 is a rational number, so that we can write it equal to P by Q, because rational number will be in the form P by Q. So keeping root 5 here, take 7 that side, you will get P by Q minus 7. Take the LCM here, it is P minus 7 Q by Q. That implies root 5 is a rational number. Therefore, this term becomes a rational number. But we know that root 5 is not a rational number. This leads to a contradiction. So, as our assumption, 7 plus root 5 is a rational number will be wrong. That implies 7 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Find the roots of the equation 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. I have written already the quadratic formula. So let us write the values here. A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 6, C is equal to 2. So first find out the value of D here. D will be equal to B square, that is minus 6 square minus 4 into 3 into C is 2. 36 minus 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24. So the answer will be 6 minus 4 is 2. It is 12. D is equal to 12. Let us substitute here. X is equal to minus of minus 6 plus or minus root of 12 divided by 2 into A. 2 into A is 6. So X will be equal to 6 plus or minus root of 12 is 2 root 3 divided by 6. So let us write it twice. So X is equal to 6 plus 2 root 3 divided by 6, or X is equal to 6 minus 2 root 3 divided by 6. X is equal to, here I'll take 2 as common term, 3 plus root 3 by 6. That will be 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 3 minus root 3 divided by 6. So X is equal to 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 3 minus root 3 by 3. These are the values of X. Next question is, solve the linear equation by elimination method. So first let us change the sign here. Minus, minus and minus. Y get cancelled. 4 minus 1 is 3x will be equal to 15 minus 6 is 9. So X is equal to 9 by 3. So x is equal to 3. Now we have to find out the value of y. I will substitute in the equation number 2. X plus y is equal to 6. We know that x is 3. So y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 3. So y is equal to 3. 20th question. Find the sum of 20 terms of an AP 4, 9, 14 using formula. So I've written already AP. The first term will be 4. D will be equal to 5 and N is already mentioned. 20 terms. Formula also I've written. Let us substitute 20 by 2. 2 into 4 plus 20 minus 1 multiplied by 5. So that is 10. 8 plus 19 into 5. 10. 8 plus 19. 5 is a 95. So 10 multiplied by 103, that is 1030. So sum of 20 terms is 1030. Find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. So 40 integers will be, I can write the AP as 6, 12, 18. So on 40 terms, A is 6, D is 12 minus 6 is 6. N is equal to 40. So I have written the formula here. Let us substitute here. It is 40 by 2. 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 into D is 6. So that is 20. 12 plus 39 into 6. That is equal to 20. 12 plus 234. So 20, that is 12 plus 234 will be 246. So answer will be 4920. So S40 is 4920. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining 1, 5 and minus 4, 0 in the ratio 2:3. You have to apply section formula here. I have written already the formula x1, y1, x2, y2, m1, m2. Let us substitute here. So it will be 2 multiplied by minus 4 plus 3 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 plus 3. Here it is 2 multiplied by 0, 3 multiplied by 5, 2 plus 3. So further substitution, here we'll get minus 8 plus 3 by 5. Then here we will get 0 plus 15 by 5, that is equal to minus 5 by 5, 15 by 5, that is equal to minus 1, 3. So P of xy will be minus 1, 3. 22nd one, if P of A is equal to 3 by 4, then show that P not A is not equal to 1 by 2. So P of A I have written here. So let us substitute. We know that P of A bar is equal to 1 minus P of A. So 1 minus P of A is 3 by 4. So here we'll take the LCM. LCM will be 4. That is 4 minus 3. That will be equal to 1 by 4. So P of A bar will be equal to 1 by 4. Therefore P of A bar is 1 by 2 because it is 1 by 4. Find the value of cos 45 multiplied by sin 45 divided by sec 30 minus cot 60. First let us write the value. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 multiplied by sin 45 is 1 by root 2 divided by 2 root 3 minus cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Let us proceed with this. We will get 1 by 2 divided by 1 by root 3. So the final answer will be by 2 into 1. Here it is root 3. So answer is root 3 by 2. 24th question, there was one more. First let us take the left hand side and prove that it is equal to the right hand side. First let us take the LCM here. LCM will be 1 plus sin A multiplied by cos A. So here I will get cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square. Let us substitute it further. Cos square A as it is. Here I'll put the identity 1 square plus sin square A plus 2 into 1 into sin A. the denominator as it is, 1 plus sine A cos A. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 sine A divided by 1 plus sine A cos A. Here cos square A plus sine square A becomes 1. 1 square is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 sine A divided by 1 plus sine A cos A. Let us take the common term in the numerator. 2 is common. 1 plus sine A divided by 1 plus sine A cos A. So this term gets cancelled here. 2 into 1 by cos A. So 2 into 1 by cos A is secant A. Long division. So I will write it first. 2x plus 3. I will write it then g of x here. So we need the answer 3x cube. So we need to multiply it by the term 3x. So it will be 3x cube minus 6x square plus 9x. So let us write it here. So I can write it here. It is 3x. Here 3x cube minus 6x square plus 9x. Change the sign. This term gets cancelled. Here the remaining term will 10x square minus 20x plus 35. So now again I will write g of x. So we need the answer 10x square. So we need to multiply it by 10. When you multiply by 10, it will be minus 20x plus 30. So here it is plus 10. Here the answer is 10x square minus 20x plus 30. Then change the sign here. While changing the sign, this term gets cancelled. Even this term gets cancelled. The remaining will be 5. So finally we'll write the quotient. Quotient is 3x plus 10 and the remainder r of x is equal to 5. Next one is to find the mean. Question number 28. So I've written class interval and frequency. Now let me write the xi. It is 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Sum of fi is 20 here. So 4 4s are 16, 8 8s are 64, it is 24, 16 and 100. Total sum is 220. So mean is given by the formula x dash is equal to sum of fi xi divided by summation of fi, that is 220 divided by 20, that is equal to 11. Next question, you have to find out the mode here. So this becomes your AF1 since it is the biggest number. This is AF0, this is F2, 15 becomes L and H is equal to 15 minus 5, that is equal to 10. So I have already written the formula and values here. Let us substitute it. So that will be equal to 15 plus 4 multiplied by 10, 16, 2 8 is 16 minus 4 minus 2 will be 16 minus 6. So that is equal to 15 plus 40 divided by 10, that is 15 plus 10 ones are 10 fours are. So mode is equal to 19. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices A, B, C are given. Let us solve this now. So I have already written the vertices and the formula. I will substitute the values. So that is equal to half multiplied by minus 5 minus 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2 minus of minus 1 plus 5 minus 1 minus of minus 5. So that will be equal to half minus 5 into minus 7 plus 3, 2 plus 1. This is plus 5 minus 1 plus 5. So it is 35 plus 3 multiplied by 3 plus 5 multiplied by 4. Half multiplied by 35 plus 9 plus 20
Vertices of a square ABCD are given. AC and BD are diagonals. They are intersecting at O. So you have to find out the length of the diagonal and the point of their intersection. First, let us find out point of intersection. That is nothing but O. So I am applying here midpoint formula.
See the next question. In the figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle with sides 14 centimeter and area of the triangle is given. It is 49 root 3 centimeter square. P, Q and R are the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. So if PQ, QR and RP are the arc of a circle with center BCA. That means here there is a circle, here also there is a circle, here there is one more circle. We have to find out the area of the shaded region. So I already written the answer part here. We know that AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, that is equal to 14. So radius will be 14 by 2, that is equal to 7 centimeter. And they mentioned it is an equilateral triangle, so theta will be equal to 60 degree. So area of the shaded region will be area of the triangle minus area of 3 sectors here. There are 3 sectors. So area of the triangle ABC is given. Let us substitute these values here. So it is 49 root 3 minus 3 into 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So let us do the substitution here. 1s are 6 are 3 1s are 3 2s are 2 1s are 2 11s are 7 and 7 cancels. So the remaining will be 49 root 3 minus 77. So let us substitute the values now. 49 multiplied by 1.73 minus 77. This answer will be 83.3 minus 77, that is equal to 6.3 centimeters square. The question they have asked to find out the length of the PQ arc. So the length of the formula I have written. Let us do the substitution. 1s are 6 are 2 1s are 2 3s are. So remaining I will write it here. So remaining will be 7 and 7 cancel, so 22 by 3 will remain. Here we got the answer length of PQ as 22 by 3. If PQ is 22 by 3, then PR and RQ are also equal. So to find the total length here, I can write total is equal to PQ plus QR plus RP. That is equal to 22 by 3 plus 22 by 3 plus 22 by 3. That will be equal to 66 by 3. That is 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 2s are, so 22 centimeter. So we are going to apply distance formula here for AC. So it will be square root of minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. So that will be equal to minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus 2 whole square. So that is equal to 0 plus 4 square. You will get the answer as root of 16, that is nothing but 4 here, 4 units. Now we have to find out the distance of dB, diagonal dB. I will not write the formula, I will solve it directly here. So that is 1 minus of minus 3 whole square and 0 whole square. We will get 1 plus 3, that is 4 square plus 0. That will be equal to square root of 16, that is equal to 4 units. A motor boat whose speed is 11 km per hour in still water takes 2 hours 45 minutes to go 12 km upstream, then return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. So here I've written few sentences already. Let the speed of the stream, you can consider it as x kilometer per hour. Then speed of the boat in still water, it is given 11 km per hour. Then speed of boat in upstream 11 minus x kilometer per hour. Same thing in downstream, it will be 11 plus x kilometer per hour. So distance is given as 12 kilometers. So I can write the equation as 12 divided by 11 minus s plus 12 divided by 11 plus x, that is equal to 2 hours 45 minutes. 2 hours 45 minutes is nothing but 2 hours 3 by 4. So 2 3 by 4. So further simplification, here I will take the LCM. 11 minus s, 11 plus x is x. So further simplification, 12 11 plus x plus 12 11 minus x, that will be equal to 11 by 4. So further it will be 12, if I take it as common, it will be 11 plus x plus 11 minus x divided by 11 minus x, 11 plus x, that is equal to 11 by, here x and x cancels, so 11 plus 11 will be 22. Here which formula is this? A plus b, a minus b, that is nothing but 11 square, 121 minus x square, that is equal to 11 by 4. So now let us cross multiply and do the further simplification. We will get 96 is equal to 121 minus x square. So x square will be equal to 121 minus 96, that is equal to 25. S is equal to root of 25. So value of s will be equal to 5, that is plus or minus 5. Since the speed cannot be negative, we can consider the speed as 5 km per hour. 5 km per hour. The sum of the reciprocal of ages of a person 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So 3 years ago, the age will be x minus 3 years, and 5 years from now it is x plus 5 years. So according to the question, they have given that, so the sum of reciprocal of both is 1 by 3. So we need to substitute it here. Here also you need to take the LCM first. So x plus 5, LCM will be x plus 5 plus x minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 3. So remaining will be 2x plus 2 divided by x minus 3 and x plus 5, that is equal to 1 by 3. So for the simplification we need to cross multiply this. So we will get 3 multiplied by 2x plus 2 will be equal to x minus 3 x plus 5. So that is equal to 6x plus 6 will be equal to x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15, that is x square plus 2x minus 15. Here it is 6x plus 6. Let us take everything to that side. You will get x square minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So we'll take the prime factor, we'll do the splitting method here. We'll do the splitting method. So it is 21x square. The answer should be minus 4x. So it is 7 3s are. So x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. X is common, x minus 7. So here minus plus 3 will take it as common. So remaining will be x minus 7 is equal to 0. X minus 7 multiplied by x plus 3 is equal to 0. So answer will be x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 7. X plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3. These are the two answers. But we know that age cannot be negative. Therefore, age of person, right, present age of person, present age of the person will be 7 here. Since you cannot take negative, you have to take the positive value. In the figure, BC is parallel to PQ. The measurement AB they have given, PQ is given, and AP is given. So you have to find out BC, the length of BC, and also you have to prove that area of APQ divided by area of ABC is equal to 1 by 4. Let us do the sum now. An arithmetic progression consists of 51 terms. The 20th term from the last of this progression is 157. So total there are 51 terms. 20th term from the last, in the sense 32nd term. It will be 32nd term is 157. The common difference is 5. D is given. Find the AP. So N is given, D is given. You have to find A. I'll put A in formula. 20th term from last, in the sense 32nd term, that is 157. So A, I'll write it as it is, 32 minus 1 multiplied by 5, that is equal to A plus 31 157 here. So that is A plus 155 157. A is equal to 157 minus 155 will be equal to 2. Now we got the answer for A. Let us write the AP now. AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. I'll write 2 terms, that's enough. So it is 2 plus 5, 2 plus 2 into 5, so on. So AP will be equal to 2, 7, 12, so on. There is one more optional question here. The sum of second term and fourth term of an AP is 22. Sum of first 11 terms is 253. Find the AP, and the last term is 67. Find the number of terms of this progression. So they have given sum of second term and fourth term. So I can write it as A2 plus A4. Sum is equal to 22. It is given. So further solving, A2 is A plus D. A4 is A plus 3D, that is equal to 22. So 2A plus 4D is equal to 22. I will name this as equation 1. And sum of 11 terms is 253. It is given in the question. So let us apply the formula here. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So S11, that is equal to 11 by 2 into A as it is. So plus 11 minus 1 into D, that is equal to 253. Further solving, it is 11 by 2, 2A plus 10 D. Further, I can solve this as 253 into 2 divided by 11 is equal to 2A plus 10D. Here after substitution the answer will be 46, that is equal to 2A plus 10D. I'll name it as 2. Let us do the elimination method for equation 1 and 2. 1 is 2A plus 4D is equal to 22. Here it is 2A plus 10D is equal to 46. So do the elimination method. First I'll change the sign here. So change the sign, it will be, this term gets cancelled. Minus 60 is equal to minus 24, d is equal to, we'll get the answer as 4. Now value of d, let us substitute in any of the equation. When you do, the answer of a will be 3. Then let us write the ap, that is a plus d plus 2d. The answer will be 3 comma 7 comma 11. One more part of the question is given, an is given, you have to find out n. So an is given, I will write the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, but an term is given, that is 67. Just substitute the values where a is 3 and d is 4. You will get the answer as 17. N is equal to 7. Question number 35 is a linear equation graphical method. When you take x is equal to 0, y is 8, 0 comma 8. When you take y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4, 4 comma 0. X plus y is equal to 5. When you take x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. When you take y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. So they have given the value of AB, that is equal to 10 root 3, and BC. BC is 30 meters, BF is 10. You have to find out AE and EC. So from the figure you can write it as AB is equal to CD, that is equal to 10 root 3 meters. Also, if you see here, BC is also equal to AD, that is equal to 30 meters. So now let us solve. In triangle ADE, D is equal to 90 degree. I will apply tan function here. Tan 90 or tan theta, I can write it as ED by AD. So tan 30 degree will be equal to AD by AD, that is 30. So this is 1 by root 3 will be equal to ED by 30. Cross multiply, you will get it as ED root 3 is equal to 30. So ED is equal to 30 divided by root 3. We have to rationalize it here. So ED will be equal to 30 divided by root 3 multiplied by root 3 divided by root 3, that is equal to 30 root 3 by 3. So you got the answer of ED. So next let us proceed now. Here it is 3 ones are 3 tens are, so that is ED will be equal to 10 root 3 meters. So from the figure I can write it as EC is equal to CD plus ED, that is equal to 10 root 3 plus 10 root 3, that is equal to 10 plus 10 is 20 root 3 meters. So you got the answer of EC also. One is done. One more let us consider in triangle ADE. Again if I apply sine function here, that is sine 30 degrees given. So AD by AE, sine 30 is 1 by 2, that is equal to 10 root 3 by AE as it is. Let us cross multiply. AE will be equal to 10 root 3 multiplied by 2. AE is equal to 20 root 3 meters. Last step remaining is to find out the theta. So if I consider triangle ABF, so AB by BF, that is nothing but tan theta. So AB value is 10 root 3, BF is 10, 10 and 10 cancel, that is equal to tan theta. So tan theta becomes root 3 when theta is equal to tan 60 degree. So theta is 60 degree. Wooden solid is made up of mounting a right circular cone and a circular base cylinder. Height of the solid is given, total is 45. So height of the cone is 15. So height of the cylinder will be 45 minus 15, that is 30 centimeter. That becomes the height of the cylinder. Then height of the cone is 15. I have already said the diameter is 16. So radius will be 8 centimeter. So now let us find out the total surface area of this figure. All the given measurements I have written here. So height of the diameter is given, radius is calculated. then height is 15 here for the cone. For the cylinder, radius is 8. Then height is 45 minus 15, it becomes 30. So let us find out the slant height now. It is 15 square plus 8 square. So it is 225 plus 64, and that will be equal to 289. That will be equal to 17 centimeters. So slant height is 17 centimeter. Further, I can write it as TSA of solid, the whole solid, will be equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder plus area of base. So formula is pi RL plus 2 pi RH plus base is circular, so pi r square. Let us substitute it here. Pi r is common, so what will remain? L plus 2h plus r will remain. So let us substitute. Pi I will keep as it is, 8 pi. L is 17 plus 2 into 30 plus r is 8. So 8 into 22 by 7, 17 plus 60 plus 8. It is 8 into 22 into 7 multiplied by 85. That is equal to 14,960 divided by 7. The final answer will be 2137.14 centimeter square. Also asked to find out the volume. So volume of solid, there is cone and there is cylinder. This volume of cone. So I will write the formula. This is pi r square h of cylinder plus 1 by 3 pi r square h of cone. So I mentioned here so that you have no confusion. Pi r square is common. Remaining is height of cylinder plus 1 by 3 height of cone. So let us substitute 22 by 7 into 8 into 8. Height of the cylinder 30 plus 1 by 3 into 15. So the final will be 22 by 7 into 64. So here 1s are 5s are 30 plus 5. That is 22 by 7 into 64 into 35. Here I can cancel the term. 7 1s are 7 5s are. So the final answer, volume of solid, will be equal to 7040 centimeter cube. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.